Boeing's new $3.9 billion Air Force One is 2 years late. I didn't even know they were making another one. A Department of Defense official said a combination of factors, including, of course, COVID-19 and supply strains, has left the new planes 24 months behind schedule. Ooh, how exciting is that? A new Air Force One, a $4 billion Air Force One. Those things they were already cool. I presume you build another one, it's going to be even more cool than the last.
Is that too much? Because I've been when I first saw this title, I immediately searched for a Boeing. What's the biggest one? The 777, and that's only I think 400.
That's not the biggest one. That's their newest one.
Right.
It's maybe it is their biggest one.
I think there's a 777X.
Okay,
that might be a bigger one.
There you go.
But the 777 is only 400 million, and it looks like
But isn't this one going to have some kind of customizations that are just like one of a kind?
I'm sure there's like crazy like tech to avoid spying or anything like that, but 4 billion.
Yeah,
that's a lot.
It's an enormous amount of money flying around. You also wonder, it's one guy on the plane.
Yeah, and why does that have to be so big?
It's like the biggest jet
be
possible.
Like a private jet.
I guess there's often big teams that are going on there as well. Shout out to Marvin, by the way. President Biden's pricey remote office has hit yet another roadblock. Recent factory disruptions and other issues have forced air industry behemoth Boeing to delay the release of its next Air Force One jet, known by some as the Flying White House. Oh, yeah, that's the other thing. They have to be able to run their government from up there if there's ever a threat to the actual White House.
They could stay up there.
So they got to bring a big team. They have to have big fuel tanks. They refuel in the sky if necessary. In a statement provided to Gizmodo, the Department of Defense official said the new plane, a Boeing VC-25B, would be delayed due to a combination of factors, which include supply issues, manpower limitations, wiring design timelines, testing, and pandemic-related delays. All told, the most recent delays mean Air Force One is now around 2 years behind schedule. Are there any pictures of the interior? Though that's always pretty cool when they show off, like they got like a beautiful office with like wood paneling and, president stuff, Will.
Yeah, I think that's private.
Couches and beds and so forth.
I don't know if they can show inside.
I don't know about that. I feel like you could link up. You could hit up Biden and say, hey, take us for a ride, can't you? Don't you have a relationship like that or no? How about Boeing? Can we?
I just slip an air tag in there.
Oh, my. Will. You talking about tracking the president? I'm pretty sure that's a federal crime right there. Maybe we can go to Boeing and get a preview. We'll go to their HQ where they're almost finished and get a sneak peek. I'm sure they would allow that. I don't see them having a problem with that. We're trustworthy guys. We're a trustworthy community. They can trust us with the schematics, no?
See Biden sleeping in one of the cabins.
We're like, hey, you're not supposed to be in here yet. Mm-hmm. He's like, I couldn't resist.
Yeah.
I've been waiting years for this. Yeah, it'd be a great place to take a nap.
Congrats, you finished it.